Most B2B firms don't actually have a visibility problem on LinkedIn. They have a conversion problem. You're probably getting the odd like or connection request, but where are the actual sales calls? If you want a LinkedIn lead generation strategy that actually works, stop posting content just for the sake of it. You need a system that converts attention into trust and trust into booked meetings. Here are 3 quick shifts you can make today to turn things around. First, your profile is not a CV, it's a landing page. Within seconds of landing on your profile, a prospect needs to know exactly who you help, the problem you solve, and the outcome they can expect. Clear positioning always beats clever wording. Second, leverage your personal profile over your company page. In the B2B world, people buy from people. Founder-led and expert-led content almost always beats corporate pages when it comes to driving real inquiries. And third, stop using outreach like a scattergun email blast. That burns trust fast. Instead, warm up the interaction. Reach out to people when they are no longer cold contacts, and with something that is a proven conversation starter. Now, this is just a quick teaser of what's possible when you treat LinkedIn as a genuine lead generating channel. If you want the full, step-by-step strategy, including the exact approach we use to build a repeatable pipeline, I've laid it all out for you. Click the link in the description below to read the full article on Social Hire. Let's get those opportunities consistently being created for your business.